we have here is an open wheel modified. Our season runs roughly April to September, depending on the weather here in Oregon and Washington. This motor is 3 or 4 seasons old, so it's time for it to come out and take it down and work with the motor builder to get it refreshened. I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride, and in this episode we're hoping to cover just getting the motor out. Enjoy the ride. I talked to the engine builder. He actually asked me to run a compression test, so I probably should start with that. I'm able to turn it over right now and it won't hurt anything. I just need to make sure I unhook the fuel input so I don't end up with a bunch of fuel coming out here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. So we definitely got some holes that are down in compression. That left side ranged from 140 in the front to 105 in the back. Yikes. Right side was pretty much 140 across the board, except for this one right here was 120. So I'll relay it on to the engine builder and we'll see what they want to do about it.